Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Phillip. We have a 03 Chevy Silverado. This one's a 2500 with a 6.0 liter engine. Customer complaint is that there's a coolant leak, so the reservoir is empty. We're going to fill it up with water for now and see where it's leaking from. Okay, we definitely got some kind of major leak. We'll figure out where it's coming from. Okay, well from here, it looks like it's leaking from the water pump. So we'll dig a little bit deeper, make sure that's where it's leaking from. Okay, underneath, definitely looks like it's leaking from the water pump. And just dripping all the way down here. So let's tear this down and replace the water pump. Okay, this is a two-piece fan shroud, so there's these little push pins in here. Take those off. Got two 10mm right here. Now this sucker can come off. Okay, we're gonna remove the fan clutch here. It just spins counterclockwise, regular. You can see how wobbly this water pump is, that bearing shot. I'm going to take out the lower fan shroud just for some more room. And a 15mm for the belt tensioner. Okay, the belt tensioner actually mounts onto the water pump, so we're going to take that off too. 3 15mm bolts. Alright, here's a better view of how bad this thing's leaking. You can see how loose the pulley is. The bearing's just totally shot. Leaking right from in here. Which is not supposed to do that. Okay, we're going to remove the upper radiator hose, and the lower radiator hose, and the two heater hose lines. Oh, look at all that corrosion. Okay, we got 6 bolts holding the water pump on. We got 3 10mm here, and then 3 on the other side as well. Okay, we're gonna take off the gaskets here. You can see this one's already just trashed, separating. This rubber's supposed to be part of the metal. And we'll use a razor blade and get all these mating surfaces clean and put new gaskets. Okay, got the new water pump ready to go back in. I like to put some gray silicone on the gaskets on both sides and stick it onto the water pump and put the bolts through so that way I can just get them started. Okay, I'm going to tighten these by hand with the ratchet. Just make sure they're evenly snug down. Okay. Okay, water pump's on. We're actually going to put a new thermostat and thermostat housing on here. The other one was so corroded, so we're going to replace that and put these heater hoses back on. Okay. Okay, we can put the belt tensioner back on. Okay, serpentine belt back on. Okay, lower fan shroud. Upper hose. Got the full strength, so we got to do 50-50 with water. All right, we're gonna let this bad boy run. Turn on the heater, get out any air pockets that are in the system, and check for leaks. Okay guys, we're all done with the water pump and thermostat. I don't see any other leaks at all. Just gonna let it run for a while, make sure the heater gets nice and hot, and get out any air pockets we have in here. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, leave any comments if you like. And remember, with Fix It Phillip, you can fix it. I'll see you next time. This water pump is toast.